Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Jaden Jennings. Northrop Grumman has named the next Cygnus mission to the International Space Station in honor of Dr. Sally Ride, astronaut, physicist, advocate for diversity in science, and the first American woman to fly into space. The NG-18 mission is scheduled to launch on Sunday, November 6th from the Wallops Flight Facility in Virginia. The spacecraft will deliver more than 8,200 pounds of cargo for the station's Expedition 68 crew, as well as several key science experiments. On board Cygnus, the OVO space investigation will study possible changes in ovarian cell development and microgravity. The study will use bovine cell cultures in order to understand those changes. As we work toward a permanent human presence on the moon, this research seeks to identify possible treatments to protect reproductive health off the planet and could also improve or restore fertility in people here on Earth. Another study that will fly on Cygnus will look for solutions to prevent a disastrous event after wildfires. The effects of wildfires are devastating, causing loss of property and loss of lives. Even more damage can happen months after the event. When a wildfire burns plants, combusted chemicals create a thin layer of soil that repels rainwater. Rain then erodes the soil, which can lead to catastrophic mudflows that carry heavy boulders and debris downhill, causing significant damage. The post-wildfire mudflow microstructure investigation will evaluate the composition of these mudflows. Microgravity can unlock new understanding of these phenomena, which may improve modeling and prediction of their behavior. What we learn could support the development of ways to prevent and reduce catastrophic post-fire events. And now it's time for nachos, but not the type that you eat. The NanoSat Atmospheric Chemistry Hyperspectral Observation System, or NACHOS for short, flew to the space station in February. Weighing just 13 pounds, this prototype instrument could eventually make it easier to monitor volcanic activity and air quality in cities, neighborhoods, and power plants. Nachos will be the topic on this week's edition of Houston, We Have a Podcast. You can find it on Apple Podcast, Google Podcast, or SoundCloud, or find it on the NASA Johnson Space Center social media channels on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And that's Space to Ground for now. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next week.
Subscribe for more space.